I'm doing this video because I almost died. I'm replacing the old camera, which had really bad video quality, to this new camera made by BOSCAM. Sorry about my car, it's not the fanciest car in the world, so it's a little bit loud, but here's the picture quality. I'm gonna drive away from the sun. We're gonna get some blue sky. I'm looking for the clarity of this camera. Frames per second, it's our 30. It's running at a resolution of 1500. So it's the highest resolution is 1500. It will last about 3 hours on a 32 megabyte memory stick. So I have a 32 meg in there, and it will be good about 3 hours. It has special features like it will lock certain files if you get into an accident. So you have to go to the settings, and there is like a motion detector in there. I'm curious to see how it will capture this license plate over here. So this is one of the tests that we have right now, to see how good it's capturing this license plate. The camera on the back is also capturing the car in the back. That one does not have a license plate as far as I can see. It's Las Vegas. We don't have to have license plates in the front of the car. So right now we're driving in the sun. This will be a little bit interesting to see how it's going to react to the sun. Boss always made very good cameras. I'm really sorry I bought the other camera. It left some stains on my windshield when I took it off. It was like a 360 camera. I thought a 360 is going to be better, but it's not. It had a horrible picture quality, as you saw into that intro video when I first started the video today. So I would highly recommend this camera. It is really good. It is high quality. I like to put it behind the mirror, as I said. So I don't have to be tempted to look at it. The screen is staying on all the time. The installation was quite easy. To put it in the front of the car is not hard at all. It's a little bit tricky to run the wires in the back, but the wires are long enough so you could run them wherever you need to. So that is the nice part about it. The quality is really nice. You can see the lights. You could see everything. This is my second run on it, so I already know what kind of a quality it's going to put out, because I already been looking at the footage that I captured earlier today. So the quality is really nice on a picture quality. The rear camera is not as clear, but that one is not as important. Most of the stuff that is important happens in front. Yeah, this is definitely a great camera. I'm curious to see how it's going to capture the license plates over there on the left, and also this license plate over here with the sun in the back. It's very shiny, but the sensor, the video sensor, is really good on it. So I have high hopes. So for those people that watch my channel, you know I recommend a lot of products from time to time. This one, truly, it's a really good product. I am not lying when I'm saying that I'm putting my money where my mouth is. I would totally buy this camera if I were you guys, and I might actually buy one for my wife's car, because she has one of those 360 cameras, and it's not as clear. I have to say, it's not as clear. Well, thanks for watching. So today what I'm doing is I'm replacing this camera, which also has a rear camera over there, with this BOSCAM. Open it up, you have a user manual, you got the camera over here, nicely packed. Here it is, bigger and has a screen. I couldn't review the video on this camera because it doesn't have a screen, but this one does. So I was able to run the cable under here, through my light, to the back of the car. Choosing the right location when to install it is important. It's right behind my mirror over here. I could still move the mirror out of the way and then look at the camera, so I could scroll through the pictures. It has a locking mechanism over here, and I could put the mirror out, and then it's not blocking my view at all when I'm driving. The camera is right behind it, but at the same time it's not in the way. And here's a rear camera. Good thing to buy the right one when you buy the camera, like this one, because the old one that I had left all this goop on my windshield when I removed it. It is what it is, but this one is facing nicely in the back. All the wires are running through here all the way to the front. So where is it? Right behind the mirror. Why? I could still see it over here when the car turns on, but I don't want to see it when I'm driving, because I don't want to be distracted by it. Very nice looking, sitting over here. The wires are organized over there, so it just sits over here behind the mirror, and I have access to it if I have to, by moving the mirror out of the way. So I think this is the best place to put it. But that way I'm not tempted to look at it when I'm driving. I should focus what I'm doing instead of having it here in the middle and then focusing at it and getting into a crash. It will record, it will do whatever it needs to do. The wires are running through here, all the way to the camera in the back over there. The installation for the camera in the front is very, very easy. I ran the wire under here, under this little beam, and then inside here. The running for the camera in the back, I ran it under here, but I'm sure that you could reroute it through the door, around the door. The cable is long enough to just go around and reach the rear camera.